Hello everyone, this is Ashley Rudisil. Thank you for taking the time to view my PowerPoint, The Academic Role of the Nurse Educator. Nurse educators. They are responsible for designing, implementing, evaluating, and revising academic and continuing education programs for nurses. They serve as role models. They strengthen the nursing workforce by providing quality education for future nurses. They serve as educator, facilitator, leader, researcher, consultant, and change agent. This is the National League for Nursing Education model. It addresses all the points that fit into excellence in nursing education. This can be found on their website. It has a lot of information on it. I suggest you go check it out when you have time. It's kind of hard to see all the points on my PowerPoint, but it is a really good source of information. The National League for Nursing Core Competencies for Nurse Educators. This is published to guide the development and determination of competent educators who prepare nurses to meet the challenges of an ever-changing healthcare setting. They should be assessed at 3 levels. The first one is educator self-evaluation, which is the need to assess their own performance in teaching and professional growth. Training institution, to address education and professional development needs of faculty or for research purposes. And the National Evaluation in Nursing Education, to ensure educational quality assessment and performance of educators in meeting the required standards and inform planning for appropriate interventions. The competency I chose was Competency 6, which is pursue continuous quality improvements in the nurse educator role. The nursing education system has many influential factors that drive the need for nurse educators to pursue continuous quality improvement. For example, student demographics are changing and becoming more diverse, the needs of patients are becoming more complex, and technology is ever changing in healthcare. The role of the nurse educator is to bridge the gap between the healthcare and academic settings. To do this, the nurse educator needs to be up to date with the continuously changing healthcare environment and have an understanding of the needs of a diverse student population. Benner's From Novice to Expert theory. This is really good for this competency. It proposes that expert nurses develop skills and understanding of patient care over time through a proper educational background, as well as a multitude of experiences. So by pursuing continuous quality improvement, the nurse educator is transitioning into an expert. So demonstrates a commitment to lifelong learning. Only about 13% of nurses have a graduate degree and only 1% have a doctoral degree. Nurse educators should have a drive and a passion for continuing education. There's a debate on whether continuing education should be mandatory or not. The National League for Nursing believes it should be mandatory. The American Nurses Association believes it should be the nurse's choice. Continuing education is essential to safe and effective nursing care. So the American Nurses Association, they offer a wide variety of continuing education courses. These categories that they have include clinical and practice knowledge, emerging trends, leadership management, navigate nursing, nursing excellence, work-life balance. The courses are very affordable and you can do them online on your own time. You can also participate in conferences if you are part of the American Nurses Association. The National League for Nursing, it partners with the International Association for Continuing Education and Training for planning its continuing education programs. The continuing education programs are included with the membership. I tried to get on and look at these, but it wouldn't give me a lot of information unless I was a member, so I couldn't view a lot of what kind of classes that they offer. So the nurse educator mentors and supports faculty colleagues. So in order to recruit and retain qualified nurse educators, the National League for Nursing advocates the use of mentoring as a primary strategy to establish healthful work environments and facilitate the ongoing career development of nurse faculty. Mentorship has been identified as the single most influential way to successfully develop new nursing faculty, reaping the benefits of recruitment, retention, and long-term maturation of future nurse mentors. The primary roles of mentors in nursing education. The first is transmission of knowledge and skills. A key role of a mentor is the provision of clinical and professional support, facilitating learning opportunities, role modeling, and providing career advice. Sometimes these take the form of providing academic survival skills, facilitating efficient information retrieval, helping with writing skills, and introduction to professional networks. Second is feedback and evaluation. Mentors provide key insights and feedback on various aspects of the mentee's development. Provision of feedback must be clear, constructive, and confidential, given its impact on a mentee's self-confidence and their overall mentoring experience. Third is psychosocial support. Mentors offer support and encouragement, particularly during stressful times. Fourth is role modeling. Role modeling allowed mentors to shape ideas, values, attitudes, and professional identities, inculcate workplace ethics and organizational culture, instill confidence, and empower nurses. Ethics. Mentors are critical to equipping mentees with the skills and tools to address ethical dilemmas. Research and academia. Mentoring encourages scientific inquiry and thus plays a part in supporting mentees in each stage of the research and publication process. Characteristics of a good mentor. A good mentor embodies a professional educator, is approachable and respected, balances multiple tasks, volunteers to mentor others, cares for the development of new faculty, makes learning fun, is caring and supportive, provides encouragement and validation, and is highly intelligent and dedicated. Recommendations include contribute to the development of a mentoring program at your institution by identifying the needs of new faculty members and the resources required to meet those needs. Actively participate in mentoring relationships. Make the teaching done by experienced faculty members more visible to new faculty. Be open and friendly to new faculty and identify opportunities to be a one-minute mentor through brief, supportive interactions. Become sensitive to existing and potential academic community practices that exclude new faculty members. Spend time together as a nurse faculty community, talking and listening to one another, including the new faculty. Attend professional development workshops and seminars in mentoring. Collaborate with the dean, director, chairperson to establish a mentoring program. Include content on mentoring in undergraduate and graduate curricula, including how to identify and select caring colleagues with whom to work closely and how to collaborate with colleagues. Again, thanks for viewing my PowerPoint. This is one of my favorite quotes. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire.